Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to put your phone on Do Not Disturb except for one person. Android phones also let you use Do Not Disturb while allowing one person to contact you. This feature is managed through notification and priority settings. The exact menu names may vary slightly depending on your phone brand. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Notifications or Sound and Vibration. Choose to tap Do Not Disturb. Turn on Do Not Disturb. Tap People, Call Notifications, or Exceptions. Choose Stored Contacts Only or Favorite Contacts. Go back and tap App Notifications, then find Messages app. Toggle it on. Open your Contacts app. Tap the contact you want to allow through. Tap the star or favorite icon to mark them as starred. Return to Do Not Disturb settings and confirm the changes. Test by having that person call or text you while Do Not Disturb is enabled. Tip: on some Android phones, you can also allow repeat callers to bypass Do Not Disturb in emergencies. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.